do this benchmark task for us about transformations. So they give us a function here between the interval of -3 and 0, as you can see, x interval there. And the first question, they want us to sketch the graph, so take the original graph, and the graph plus 3. Okay, so that means it's going to be a horizontal translation. A vertical translation, so a translation up or down, plus 3, so it's going to go up 3. So I'm going to take every point here and just go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then take this point. 1, 2, 3. Connect the dots. And as you can see, we have the identical function that's just shifted up 3. Okay? So that was because it's outside of the function notation, plus 3, it shifts the whole graph of the function up 3. So this right here is g of x. Okay? And of course, you would have to explain what you see, and I've explained to you guys in words what I've seen. Let's look at this one here. Okay, again, it's h of x is going to be f of x with a negative in front of it. So it's outside of the function, so that means it's going to flip over the x-axis. So we're going to take every point and flip it on the other side of the x-axis like this. I'm going to take this point right here. Where's that? -3, not right here. Okay, in between. And then I'm just going to draw. And there you go. You have to flip this right here is h of x. So because it's outside, it's going to be a flip over the x-axis. Okay, finally, we have our horizontal shift here, f of x plus 2. Okay, but they give us the points, and since it's a horizontal shift, it's only going to act on our x values. Okay, so it wants us to give q, p, o, and p on the graph of p after it's been transformed like this. Okay, so I'm just going to add 2 to all the x values. So 2 plus -3 is -1, 0. So that's o, or q, sorry. O, -2 plus 2, well that's 0. The y doesn't change, so it's -1. And then p, 0 plus 2 is 2. Y doesn't change, 3. So this only acts on the x values, that's why it's a horizontal shift.